children, in this class we will see about the third chapter, that is the Grateful Tenant. It is a story of two elder peoples and a student who was staying in their home, and they have helped him in the studies, and also they have shown him a friendly and family natures. A settled home life gives everyone a chance to shine. Okay, if we change our home for our higher studies, it means that for our higher study, what we will do, we will go to the another state or another country. If we will stay in neighbors' home, hostels, or our villager or our relatives. What will happen? If they provide a homely nature and also a friendly nature, we can live there happily, and also we will remember them lifetime. Here, one man remember with affections the help that an elderly couple gave him when he was a penniless student. It is a story where a student remembered two elder couples who had helped him when he was studying. I went for morning walk every day. I enjoyed the straw breeze of the scented breeze that blew from nearby gardens, and also the middle warmth of the early sun. Okay, every morning the weather conditions are very good. Slow the sunrise will be rising, and also a cool breeze we can see. On one such day, I noticed a plaque on the wall near the gate entrance. Plaque is nothing but the name board. In our homes, we will see the name board that will be consisting of our head of the family's name. The name of the house was Shyam Kamal, engraved on a polished black granite. Granite is nothing but the stone, black color. And what he did, he saw this nameplate and asked his friend Ramesh. It was the home of the Ramesh, and the nameplate was on his wall. Why he had chosen this name for his home? He said, Ramesh replied to his question, it is a combination of the names of the two peoples who changed my life. It means he is saying that it is a combination of two peoples who has helped me to change my life. The ones I remember that and thank them every day, said Ramesh. Then the name was Shyam Kamal. It stands for Shyamrao and Kamala. Do you remember when I was in Dharwad? I used to stay with an old couple. Ramesh replied to his friend that, do you remember when I was studying in Dharwad? I was living with two old couples, and the two old couples were Shyamrao and Kamala. And I remember there was an elderly couple in Dharwad who used to rent out their outhouse to college student. Ramesh had stayed there for 6 years. He remembered that there were two elder couples. They were aged. They were Shyamrao and Kamala. What they did, they were living in the Dharwad. They were having some outhouse, and they have provided their outhouse for the student. And Ramesh was a student at that time, and he was living there for 6 years. Ramesh went on. At that time, they supported him wholeheartedly in any decisions. It may be for the study, it was a bigger town. So Shyamrao was a retired postmaster, and he was the friend of Ramesh's father, and he gave a place to stay in the outhouse of the Shyamrao. Kamalabai was so selfless that she would share her meals with him. She would always share her meals with him, that is with Ramesh. And I enjoyed the meals so much, and I felt like I was having these meals with my mother. Okay, they were very close to him. He was thinking that Kamalabai was his mother only. That much heartily they have welcomed Ramesh. As Dharwad was very famous for peda, Mr. Shamrao always brought pedas. Dharwad is famous for Dharwad peda, and what Shamrao was doing, always he was bringing pedas to Ramesh. They did not let me go hungry for a single day and treated me like their own son. They have helped him so much in the studies also, and they were treating him like their own son. If I was late in paying my college fees, he would lend some money from his meager pension, that is a small quantity of the pension, and help him out. If sometimes what will happen in Ramesh, he was not having money to pay his college fees. At that time, Shamrao was helping him to pay his fees, and with his meager pension is nothing but a small quantity of pension he was getting. He was retired postman, so he will pay the fees of the Ramesh also. But you said to run errand. Now a friend of the Ramesh will reply him, but you said to run errand for them and do odd jobs like going to the post office, buying fruits and vegetables, watering the plants, pumping the water out of the tank. In fact, we used to call you there man Friday behind your back, I replied. It means, what's the friend is saying that, yes Ramesh, you were staying there, but they are helping you. You also did a lot of work to them. What you are doing? You are doing the odd jobs. Odd job is nothing but the job that we are not able to do. That may be what the Ramesh was doing. He was helping the old couples. He was going to the post office. He was buying the fruits. He was buying the vegetables, watering the plants. Like this way, he was helping them. So if the friend is saying that you have helped them, and also in the sake they have helped you. At that time, Ramesh will reply that I don't agree with that. Think of the old couples. They were not well off, but they went out of their way to help me. Without their help, I did not know where I would have been today. Okay, Ramesh will say that it is not that the reason that I have helped them, so they are helping. It is a humble and also a heartily welcome by them that they have helped me, because they were getting very less pension. In that less pension only they were paying his college fees also. Without them he was not able to get the good job. But why did you name the house after them? I went back to my original questions. Okay, and Ramesh friend will return to his original question. Why the reason? What's the reason that he has named the house on their name? It was my father's suggestions. He said, some people who do things out of affection and not just out of duty, and they change your life with love and generosity. Even my children should know their origins of my success. I also want them to understand the gratitude I feel towards Shamrao and Kamalabai, not through merry words, but through affections. Okay, Ramesh friend will ask what's the reason that he has named his home after the Shamrao and also Kamalabai's name. He will reply that it was the suggestion given by my father, because the people have shown me so much. They have shown him so much of affection, and also they have shown him a love and generosity, and he has total gratitude towards him. He was blessed to have Shamrao and Kamalabai. They have helped him in more ways. Not only helping him in studies, they have helped him for his life also. They were so much supportive to him. And he can't explain them in few words. And Ramesh wants his children to know about the gratitude feeling he was having towards Shamrao and Kamalabai. It is people like Ramesh who reaffirm our faith in humanity. It means that Ramesh was having humanity towards the old people. Nowadays, no one will remember the work we have did and the help we have did to the others. But some people remembering this is a grateful thing. Thank you all.